Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining in. The time in Nigeria is 23:37. That's 11:37 p.m. And I just wanted to let you guys know that this one is an urgent warning. I sent it to people I know in the Lagos police and also Abuja. There is an urgent warning, okay? The police didn't give this warning. I got this warning from some certain security agencies and people, all right? Tiwa Savage almost got kidnapped last week. And if you remember that case, I told you that some kind of vigilante security people literally rescued her and some backups. Some of us don't have any backups, but you have to be very careful. The news is coming to me that there is a kidnapping gang lurking on the island. I know the ones that went to Tiwa's house, they were a kidnapping gang that was working with her driver. And I'm so glad they arrested all of them and they took them to